Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Maya loans work. Maya Personal Loan is a convenient digital lending service available right through your Maya app. It offers quick and easy access to funds without needing any collateral. Once your loan application is approved, the full amount is instantly transferred to your Maya wallet, providing immediate financial assistance. This makes it a great option for urgent expenses or planned purchases, all managed seamlessly from your phone. To qualify for a Maya Personal Loan, you must be a Filipino citizen between 21 and 65 years old. It's also essential to have an upgraded Maya account and actively use it for your transactions. The application process is straightforward. Simply open your Maya app, go to the Loans dashboard, and tap Apply Now. You'll then complete the necessary steps within the app, making it a hassle-free experience. Maya Personal Loans offer flexible amounts to suit various needs, ranging from 15,000 pesos up to 250,000 pesos. You can choose repayment terms that fit your budget, typically from 6 to 24 months, with plans for even longer options in the future. The monthly add-on rates are competitive, starting as low as 0.77%, making your payments more manageable. Your exact offer will be determined based on a credit evaluation. Repaying your Maya Personal Loan is designed for your convenience. You can easily make payments directly through the Maya app or at any accredited Maya center. For added ease, you can even set up automatic deductions from your Maya wallet on your due dates. Beyond flexible repayment, benefits include quick approval, instant fund disbursement, and the advantage of not requiring any collateral, providing a secure and efficient borrowing experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.